Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to protect an Excel sheet. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if I wanted to protect this Excel sheet here, like basically if I send this to someone, he will not be able to change the information within this sheet here. So to do this, I will first select my cells here. Then I will right click and I will click on format cells. Then I will go into this protection tab and make sure that logged is checked, and I will press OK. And then I will go into this review tab here, and here you will see this protect sheet option. Okay, so you will click on this one. Okay, and then here it is saying that you can basically protect this sheet with a password. Okay, so when you basically send this sheet to someone, and if he basically wants to change the information in this sheet, then he will basically need this password first to unlock this sheet. Okay, so I will just enter the password here, like I will set the password here, and then I will click on OK. Then I will re-enter the password here and click on OK. Now you can see that if I wanted to remove this USA from here, you can see that I am not being able to do this. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.